Okay, my lovelies, in this bowl I have some cinnamon, baking powder, and some salt, Himalayan salt. That is 2 tablespoons of melted grass-fed butter. I'm going to combine all my dry ingredients with my almond flour. As you can see, my salt is stuck. And this is 5 egg whites. I combined my egg whites, my 1/4 cup of mashed sweet potato, and my sweetener in here, and I'm going to blend it all together. And this is the texture it should come out to. Now, they're not going to fluff up really high because I combined my melted butter, the egg whites, and the sweet potato in here with my sweetener. And I'm going to combine my wet with the dry. Okay, what I also forgot to mention was the flaxseed meal and the coconut flour that I had blended with my dry mix. And then I'm going to scoop these out and fill them up like 2/3 half full. And I'm going to let them bake at 325 for 10 minutes. Okay, my lovelies, here's my sweet potato muffins. Now they're still cooling down. I stuck my little toothpick in there. And just to check to see if they were done, and they were. I was able to get 8 out of here. I'm gonna let these cool down, and then I'm gonna cut one open. And let's see what it tastes like. Yummy! Okay, my lovelies, I couldn't wait. I cracked one open, and it's still warm. But look at all that. Oh my God, this is so good. It's nice and warm. I like to cool it down a little bit more. Oh, wow. Yes, I ate half of it already. This was a recipe that I just came up with. This is my first time trying it, and I'm so excited that it came out this nice and moist and delicious. And I used like 5 egg whites. Ooh, that's hot. 5 egg whites. I'm gonna post the recipe. Oh my God, it's hot. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share. Now they're not burnt, that's just the butter that melted through, as you can see. But man, these are delicious. And this is something I just created and made up. I mean, I looked at other different recipes, but this was something I just added my own pizzazz to it. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share. These are low carb sweet potato muffins. Oh my God, look at that. All right, guys. Have a good night. Bye-bye.